how to perform kicks. Very strong, very fast, but without forcibly locking our knee. Because the main problem that we kick and then we have to stop the kick before it makes straight. Otherwise, we can harm our joint in the knee. So, the main body engine and dynamic relaxation works from the front this way. So when we kick backward and forward, doesn't matter, we rotate our body to the side and the kick goes one way and the joint will orient it to the side, so it is no locking at all. For example, you see 1, 2, and again I do it to the forward kick, 1, 2, 1, not like that, but like that.